Hi, chat. Howdy, howdy, howdy. What's happening? What's happening? God, I feel like shit. I look like shit, and I feel like shit in the RWE, baby. Hi. Normal stream tonight. Normal human being streams normally at a normal time tonight. You? Yeah, I didn't even like that one. I didn't even like that one. Sorry. New kink unlocked? No. Pit and shit guy? No. No. My only hey, you know what? Let's start the stream. Let me list my kinks. My kinks are fucking. My kinks are sex. Praying, well, yeah. You know what? Let's go with that. Yeah, my kinks are praying. Reading the Bible, going to church, and getting her to gag on it. But that's like a Fridays only thing. That's like a only like only on like Good Friday. Okay, hey, why do you think they call it Good Friday? You know what I mean? Why do they call it Good Friday? Good Friday. Is it like Good Burger? It's viewed as good because it represents Christ's sacrificial love during Holy Week. Oh, atonement for humanity's sins. Okay, so is it like Good Friday and then like Sinful Saturday? Like, okay, yesterday you got absolved of everything. Today you go crazy. Today you go nuts. Hey man, clear my schedule for Sinful Saturday. You've heard of Small Business Saturday? Get ready. Get ready for Small Penis Saturday, man. I don't know what to tell you. My new thing to keep myself from laughing is to plug my nose. I feel if I cut off my airflow, it keeps me on the level. I don't participate in Small Dick Saturday. I participate in Median Dick Monday. How are we this far off the rails immediately? How are we this far off the rails immediately? We gotta lock in. We gotta play Chibi Robo. We gotta lock in. We gotta play Chibi Robo. We gotta lock in. I'm late. I'm incredibly late. Can't tell you why. Can't disclose that information. Business deals. I'll say that. I'll say, you know, sponsorship contracts being T's crossed, I's dotted. I'll just say that. I'll just say, you know, have you guys heard of a little company called Joanne Fabrics? I'm about to be the #1 Joanne Fabric streamer on Twitch. I used to love going to Joanne Fabrics. My grandma would take me to Joann's. My grandma is like was like a traditional like you know, make quilts and wall hangings and everything. You know, she sewed. That was her hobby. And so we would go to Joann's like almost every day. And I liked it in there. I mean, it was a grandma store, but it was cozy. Like a grandma. And now, like, I guess I go to Michael's. Like, if I need fabric or something, I guess I go to Michael's. And Michael's is fine, but I also feel like I never know where to find things in Michael's. Have I ever told you about Caitlin's Creations? No, you haven't. But I've seen it. It comes up in my Instagram recommended a lot. And I have I'll DM you about that. I have something to say about that. But you ever looked? I have. I've seen the bows that you made out of perler beads. I'll DM you a thing later. Remind me to DM you later, please. I might forget. I might not DM you. If you, there might... something to say. Yeah, but it's like not funny. I might get confused and DM someone else. I meant more like I might forget to DM you 800 times before I go to bed. You know, there might be one night where I forget to do that. I get confused in DMs. Let me DM Kirby real quick, thinking it's you. Okay, what would I DM you? Don't forget to DM me. Don't you love it when you say, hey, don't let me forget to do this, and then someone immediately goes, don't forget to do that. Thanks. Thanks, so helpful. Thank you. I don't know why I was gonna message Kirby, slob on my knob, like corn on the cob. Check in with me and do your job. But that isn't what I would DM you. Anyways. Berg is the name. Wait, what? Wait, I know that is, wait. What? Wait. That's from Plain Jane? But I thought it was Gucci is my name. Sex is my game. Hold on. Is it not that? I thought it was that. This is going to get me copyright claimed, isn't it? Slop on my knob. Why is this? Yeah, this is going to get me copyright claimed.
Slop on my knob, like corn on the cob. Check in with me.
Oops. I just muted it. Sorry. That scared me. I had to mute it.
Slop on my knob, like corn on the cob. Check in with me and do your job. Lay on the bed and give me head. Don't have to ask, don't have to beg. Juicy is my name, sex is my game. Let's call the boys, let's run a train. Squeeze on my nuts, lick on my butt. The natural curly hair, please don't touch.
All right, turn the stream off. Turn the stream off. I feel like I have to play Chibi Robo now. I feel like we're never gonna. I can't tell any amount of jokes that could surpass that. Don't clip. Please don't clip. You know what's cool with that is I'm not even thrusting. That was like moving, just bringing this part of my body, just like my upper right stomach. That's how I thrust though. I only thrust with the right side of my dick. We're good? And the nose pinch trick works. And I'll never laugh again. All right, let's actually play Chibi Robo because yeah, I don't think I could say anything better than that. This person unfollow me? Why did someone follow me? Use the Marge alert and then unfollow me. What a weird thing. What a weird choice in life. Anyways, let's play Chibi Robo. Chat, how are you? How's everyone doing? We're going to try and make as much Chibi Robo progress as I can make today, tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, which is really funny because I'm an hour and a half late for stream. But we're going to try and make as much progress as possible because next week, Mugenics comes out and I'm going to be playing that. So we kind of want to, the goal maybe is to finish this on Friday. If it can be done. If it can't be done, that's okay. It's okay. But that's the goal. But how are you, chat? How's everyone doing? It's a slightly warmer day here in Central PA. By that, I mean it's like 20 degrees instead of like -3. So it's kind of like spring out. Spring has sprung. Juicy is my name. Sex is my game. Is that the greatest song of all time? Many are saying yep. Just got off the phone with the Pope and he's saying yup. Okay, so we'll play Chibi Robo. But I need you to understand something. If at any point a semi-truck drives through my room, guys, I'm gonna have to end the stream. I don't want to, you know, be a downer, but if an 18-wheeler crashes into me, and if a double-decker bus crashes into us, I'm gonna have to end the stream. I don't want to, but I feel like I gotta draw a line in the sand somewhere. And if I'm splattered like a pancake, I do think that might be an appropriate time to end the stream. I do think if a semi-automatic truck turns me into roadkill, I do think it might be a good idea to end the stream. I'm just gonna say that up front so you guys know. Just a warning to you. This blue is gonna be impossible to color match. For the chatters not in the know, Caitlin is doing crocheting, and I did ask her to make me a scarf with the funny little guy colors. Hold on, let's look up light blue yarn. What about aqua? Aqua looks good. Aqua. Wait. Up to 35% off DK in Iran and worsted yarns. Dude, Donkey Kong, Samus Aran, worsted. I don't know. Worsted is like, should I type at 4 a.m.? This is the worsted day ever. Worsted. A smooth, strong yarn of fabric made from long, staple wool fibers. Okay. Okay. And then this guy's supposed to be Donkey Kong? I don't understand. Uh-oh. I'm getting redirected. Dude, I'm on my middle school's Wi-Fi. Dude, they can't find out I'm looking up worsted yarn on the school Wi-Fi. I'm gonna get detention. Anyways, aqua seems like a good color fit. Aqua yarn. Yeah, aqua seems like a good. Jimmy Beans wool? Hold on. Jimmy Beans. Jimmy Beans sounds like if I was RPing as Beans the Clown and I launched a breakfast sandwich. Hey there, guys. This is Jimmy Beans. What's better than waking up in the morning? That's right. Waking up in the morning and eating a sandwich. And so today I want to introduce you to the Jimmy Beans sandwich. We got egg, we got socket, we got cheese, we got bread, we got salt, we got pepper. We put all those together in the microwave. Boom! It's done, baby. That's the Jimmy Beans sandwich. You eat this and you'll never sleep again. And if you disagree, I'll make sure you sleep forever. B word. Good night. Looking at acrylic yarns on Amazon. Okay, well, I'm not allowed to do that on stream because Amazon feels the need to give me a pop-up that says, here's your home address and IP address. So I can't be going on Amazon on stream, unfortunately. Baby soft? What do you mean baby soft? Are babies soft? They should make like hard babies. Give them like I want like a titanium skin baby. That would go hard. That would go hard. I want titanium alloy boned baby with steel skin. And he eat rocks. Oh god, now I can't stop talking like Beans the Clown. Oh shit. Clown's out of the box. Let's play Chibi Robo. Out of the box. Out of the box. Let me get my GameCube turned on here. Let me just flick the on switch on my GameCube real quick. Oh wait, shit. The GameCube had a button. Let me just tap that GameCube on button real quick. Bam. All right, so who's ready for more Chibi Robo? I don't remember what we were doing. I remember so we killed the Spider's queen. That happened. Yeah, that just happened. And then we saved their marriage. And let's see what else happened. I don't remember. I actually don't remember what I was doing in the game. I don't know. I don't remember. Oh, the nectar flower. Right, we planted the nectar flower. Let's go see if that grew, because maybe we can go give Sunshine the nectar that he's like he's addicted. He's like going on a rampage right now because he wants to be covered in sweet, supple nectar. As do we all. That's the only thing I can think right now is there's probably a lot of stuff to still do in Jenny's room. So let's start there and we can maybe piece it together. I do feel like we're in the back half of this game at least. And I'll just say, I'm gonna miss it. I feel like these streams have been really good and really fun, and I've really enjoyed becoming friends with Chibi Robo. Hey, can I climb this? Hold on. Can I get over that ledge now? Hold on. Chibi. So it looks like I probably can. Okay, all right, I'm here. And now, oh shit, we'll do this. Oh my God, actual progress. Substantial actual progress happening right before your very eyes. Aren't you impressed? A 2001 Chibi Odyssey. Oh, camera. Is there anything up here? Oh, there's a frog ring. Okay. But like, is there anything up here for me to actually do? Or am I just here to get this frog ring? Of which I cannot get? Excuse me? I can't get that? Why can't I get that? Why can I not get it? Am I on top of the hole? Okay, the game does not want me getting in that way. So maybe if I get all the way to the top, there's something. I don't know. I came over here for that one mission. And I'm sort of feeling like I'm not supposed to be here. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Hold on. Click the switch. Great. Didn't Jenny say there was only like 5 more of these? Like, that's why I feel like we gotta be getting close to the end. I don't know what the end condition is. Maybe like fill up Giga Robo. And if that's the case, like I do feel like we could finish this game. Oh fuck, this week. Like, do as much as I can the other days, and then on Friday, just like money max. Big money hustlers. That's me, I'm the hustler. Excuse me, fellas, I'm the hustler. Me at the local flea market, buying a DVD copy of Matrix Reloaded for 25 cents. I don't mean to alarm you guys, but you just got hustled. Me trading all of my first edition Pikachu cards for Poliwrath because he's the cooler Pokemon. The only time I've ever felt like I successfully hustled someone was actually related to Pokemon. It was when my brother, Pokemon was his thing. Like, that was his when we were kids. Like, I liked Pokemon a lot, but he was like, he knew everything. Like, he was obsessive. And we were playing Fire. He had Fire Red, I had Leaf Green. And I convinced him one time that the way we should do it is whoever loses the battle actually won. And the thing about that, though, is that your trainer card will always say that you lost that one battle. And so his perfect streak was broken. And I felt so smart. I felt so good and so smart. She's gonna find out he's the flower guy. Then I accidentally touched it. Sigh. I killed it. I made it hideous, like me. And it was such a pretty flower. Hey man, I'm just a mort looking for my Princess Pits, you know what I mean? Whoa! Goron rolling. Is he the one who's been bringing me the flowers? I hope these two get married. Captivates me. I get lost in his dreamy eyes. When I think of his face, I faint with fear. You gotta calm down, lady. You gotta get it together, lady. Gotta get over this complex. Let's go ghost mode and lick her ass. That's my favorite episode of Danny Phantom. Oops. Oh, okay. Oh, she likes it. What do you think her dress tastes like? I don't think I've ever put silk in my mouth. Plastic? Oh, well, would it be? Like, what are Barbie dresses made out of? That's what I feel like this material would be. And I don't think I've ever sucked on a Barbie dress. I guess I've never lived before. All right, now what? Is this nectar water? Can I suck this up? No, suck it up. It's just water though. That's not nectar. I think we gotta plant another one. Did I buy a second seed? Is this still? What if I suck the nectar from the flower? Hold on. Or like, can I water it and bring it back to life? Well, this isn't helpful. I really needed that nectar. What if can I suck the honey up? Suck the honey up to get my money up? I just realized that, like, there's honey in the kitchen. This whole time I thought it was related to the nectar flower. But I don't think it is. First you get your funny up, then you get your money up. Then you get your honey up. My horrific Hercules, my wrapped up Romeo. I won't faint anymore. God. Need the huzz to start calling me their horrific Homeo. Hercules. I feel like I got the vibes of a horrific Hercules. Princess Pitts saw my face. She must despise me now. Sigh. Yes. Why is that? What do you want me to give him, game? Stop bothering me. What the fuck does the game want me to give him? Hello? Fuck it, let's give him the love letter. It's not for him. Hey, man. Okay, no, that's not it. What? Hold on, maybe the pictures will teach us. He needs a flower. Can I pick up the dead flower? Is this another one of those puzzles where it's not really a puzzle, it's just the game doesn't tell you what you need to do? Can I like not pick this up in any way? Okay. Well, thought we were going to make progress. I am just noticing this, though, that I could have climbed this the entire time and just fucking didn't. Really kind of fucked myself on that one. I just had to be far enough away from it to see the route. It's like Mirror's Edge. All right, let's... Oh, come on! When's this game gonna turn into like Ratchet and Clank, where I can get flight? I can get gliding upgrades. That would be nice. That would be cool. I would appreciate that. Shit. I don't know if I can make that glide, though. It's a really big glide. No, I cannot make that. I can do that, though. Can I climb up from this? Oh, maybe. Also, something else down there at the bottom. Okay, so if I do this to that, no. How? There's no way to go up? Right? Or am I dumb? Stop. One crayon. If I can get up there, I can get the last Eggman I need and another crayon, and my life will be so good. Ooh, my life be so good. Would you let a tiny little robot man crawl around your daughter while she sleeps? Would you let your Roomba drive over your daughter while she slept? How does one get up higher? Much to ponder in this bitch of a life. How do I get up here? Because there's clearly important stuff up here. Oh, can I no. Maybe Jenny has to be awake? Wait. Maybe this? Please don't let time run out. This is the most progress I've made in this game ever. Ooh, money. Scuba gear. What is that for? Oh, I think it's a secret. Oh, no, I gotta do a charge shot. I like that the door is like blinking like he's confused why he's here. Okay, we got snorkel and goggles. Who needs to snorkel and goggle? Who out here snorking? I don't know a single person who needs to snork. Who's snorking? I don't even know where there'd be water. What about Teapot Tim? Remember he was in the fishbowl? And he was like, my eyes! Wonder if we have to give them to him. And I would say, like, maybe I gotta build maybe there's like a bridge robot man that I need to get that last Eggman, but I built all the robos. Oh, I have 208. I thought I had 1. I misread that. That's on me. All right, let's go. Okay, kitchen and Jenny's room. That's my 2 thoughts. Oh, Jenny's not even in the living room, so maybe she is in her room. Or everyone's in the kitchen again. Kitchen was over here. Go to the kitchen. Chat, I bought popcorners again. I'm telling you so that you understand when I go through withdrawals. Yeah, everyone's in the kitchen again. Teapot Man, though, is not in the fishbowl. Okay, grab the squirter. Okay, we can't squirt up juice. You see that honey, though? Can we squirt up some honey? All right, problem solved. I know how to get Sunshine his nectar. That's been accomplished. What's the snorkel and goggles for, though? You guys remember Action League Now? What's the guy's name in Action League Now? Wasn't it like Scuba Steve? No, what was it? Stinky Diver. That took me a second, man. I was like running through it in my head, like, what? I was like, I don't think it was Scuba Steam. Stinky Diver, Thunder Girl, The Flesh. Meltman, yeah. I think so. That show was weird because it was like, it was a segment on Kablam. Oh, fuck. Hold on. Crisis. Oh my fucking god, he's gonna tear down the castle. Sunshine Smash! Sweetie Bear needs his nectar! Hold on. We gotta squirt on this boy. We gotta set him right. We gotta squirt on this boy. It's not working. Why is that not working? Please find someone who will help me. Where's Mort? Mort, you gotta help us, dude. Please, Mort. I love that he Dodonga rolls. He's very me coded. I Dodonga roll everywhere. I don't own a car. I just curl up in a ball and roll around. Right smoking crater monkeys. You there, bear. Hold, fiend. This actually now, Prometheus and Bob was always my favorite Kablam segment. I love Prometheus and Bob. Life with Loopy was good. I was never a big Sniz and Fondue guy. Like, that one's fine. Am I crazy, or didn't Angela Anaconda started as a Kablam segment, right? Before it became a show on Fox Kids? It was on Fox Kids? Yeah. It was on Fox Kids. That's why the Digimon movie in the US opens with an Angela Anaconda short. Which got that one guy on 4chan's parents to divorce. I had, hold on. Chibi Robo fans, this is the Angela Anaconda stream now. Uh, 65 episodes. That's crazy. Oh, okay. It was on Teletoon. Where did it air in the US? Aired on Fox Family till 2001 alongside Nickelodeon and Stars Kids. Okay, so it wasn't on Fox Kids, it was on Fox Family. My bad. Gee whiz, my bad. And Nickelodeon. I know it, like, I watched it when I was really young, when I was a kid. I watched it, but to me, the cultural relevance of it is being a short in front of the US version of the Digimon movie. And then, to me, I don't know, this is a deep cut. Okay, Zoomers, turn the stream off, because you're not gonna understand this. There was, it was a freebie that you got with boxes of cereal, and I want to say it was like with Count Chocula, Boo Berry, Frankenberry. You got a CD. Dude, I got it! Okay, hold on. Free spooky music and sounds CD, and it was to promote Fox Family. And yeah, it was just a lot.
That sounds spooky. Just wait. In a moment, you'll be hearing the creepy, haunting, fun sounds of Halloween. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Count Chocula, and I love anything spooky, like Frankenberry, Boo Berry, and Count Chocula cereals. Now, grab a spoon, pour yourself a bowl, sit back, and try not to be too afraid, because the spooky sounds of Halloween are about to begin.
Whoa, I remember this because we would sit on my neighbor's porch and put on the CD, and then we would skip through all the Halloween noises. Oh, fuck. What? This goes hard as fuck, man.
Don't let the scariness keep you from having fun. And now it's time for counting down the top songs of the week and doing everything we can to give you all the creeps. 4, 3, 2, 1. It's kinda spooky.
I don't understand it, but
It's really creepy.
this is listed as Digimon Halloween song. Anyways, what we came here for. This is when I think about Angela Anaconda, I always think about this. And Angela Anaconda is already like a super obscure thing, but this is another level of niche obscurity. Oh, that's the Digimon song. Oh, sorry. Okay, that first one was the Baha Men. No, wait. This is the Baha Men. This is the Baha Men? All right, that's the Baha Men. Okay, what I always think of, though, I don't know how to read these timestamps. 237. I don't know what that means. Okay. This is what I always think of with Angela Anaconda. And,
Hey, it's me, Angela Anaconda. And this Halloween, I got a little Planaconda for Nanette Manoir. Ew, Nanette Manoir. Who thinks she is so French? But is definitely not. See, my best friend Tina Lash overheard Nanette talking about how she was planning to play a couple of tricks on me for Halloween.
what are we doing with
But I
this
think I'll
stream?
play one on her instead. Boo! I'm gonna scare you. Boo! Nitty Poo. Boo! I'm gonna scare you. Boo!
Okay, that's enough of that. Thank you. Maybe Angela Anaconda deserves to be forgotten. Thank you. I prefer Life with Loopy. Oh! Dude, Drake Redcrest just got bodied! My goat is washed? My goat is fucking washed. He's dead. 1 hour and 2 minutes into a funny little guy stream. My friend Drake Redcrest is dead. He's fucking dead. Space Hunter Code Part 8. Justice never wavers. Mortman, you gotta help me. It's for the sake of Princess Pitts. There's no other choice. There's a switch on my back. I beg of you, hit the switch. I gotta shoot it. This is so exciting. I hate that I finally got Nectar for this fucker, though. And he's pulling this shit. Okay, what happens when his buttons hit? What happens when you hit his plastic prostate? Oh my god. Oh, that takes so much air. I did it. I can only use that move once in a lifetime. The super miraculous Mort Surprise V2. The dreaded SMMS V2. Anyway, Princess Pitts. He loved her. Ooh, I love my wife. I love my wife, yeah. Oh, gee, camera. Oh, fuck. I am Mort coded. I hate to say it, but I may be Mort coded. Hey, did I turn the game audio back on? Okay. Thank you. I just wanted to make sure that we weren't still locked into Ninny Poo content. Guys, I am the #1 Angela Anaconda streamer on Twitch. Space Hunter Code Party. Justice never wavers. I was freaking out again, Chibi Robo. I want to cure my nectar problem, but I can't do anything about it. If only I had the nectar from the flower that grew in this house way back when. I have the seed, but it takes 10 years to bloom. That's why I'm going to give it to you, Chibi Robo. Okay, so he doesn't want the honey from the kitchen. I think I can get straight if I have that legendary flower's nectar. It really take 10 years? That's too long. Okay. If we go back to the past to plant the shitty flower that sucks ass, where would we plant it? I think we can only be in the bedroom, right? And there is a flower box there. Oh, my sweet bandage darling. My horrific Hercules. My wrapped up Romeo. I won't let you go. Me and who? Okay, yeah, I can't get over there. I wonder if we cure Sunshine, if I can get over. See, we like almost do it. Also, who wanted crayons? I can't even remember whose job it... Who wanted crayons, chat? Who did want crayons? I'm missing one chip. Okay. Who's that? Who's this? Who's this? Who's that? I feel like I'm approaching the end of the game, and yet there's many characters I have not met. What secrets lie ahead in this Ciabatta thin life? How much more is there to this game? I didn't think there was that much, but now I don't know. I don't know where these other characters even could be. I'm gonna have to buy the Prima strategy guide for this shit. That being said, I do still feel like I could finish this week. Do we have a Chibi Robo expert to chime in and disagree? No. Okay. Lucas, am I like missing a whole room of the house? Why are there so many characters I haven't met yet? I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. They're in the walls. All right, Chibi Robo. Time to tear down the whole house. I don't think it's that many. I feel like it's a lot. Like, just look at my stickers. Okay, so we'll get this for the frog rings. I assume this is for all the chibi rooms. I don't know what Telly gives me, but that's Telly. This is for Recharge and Giga Robo. Haven't met the bird. Haven't met the thick plug. Haven't met Goku. That's Sophie. That's Colonel Clink. That's Plankbeard. That's Teapot Tim. That's Sunshine, Dinah, Funky Phil. That's the spaceship. I don't know who that is. Oh, you know what? That's Drake Redcrest. I don't know who this is. And I don't know who that is. And I don't know who this is. I feel like there's a lot of characters I haven't met. Who is the thick plug? Anyone out there know the thick plug? Why can't I get the ladder up? Guys, I really need to meet the thick plug. Please. Why can't this move any more forward? If I like jump on the door handle, does it open the front door and I get to leave? No, you go through the door handle. Streamer, you're stupid. Streamer, you're an idiot. Who do I give the scuba gear to? Stinky Diver. But he's already got scuba gear. Kelly, give me a hint. Drink Red Crest. Silence. I've found a way to defeat them. You just said Pelly? No, I said Telly. But now is not the time. We wait quietly until nightfall. They will surely come. Talking to his real life friends in his imagination. But it's not my imagination. He's right here with me. Oh, Pelly, you kidder. Hey, what are you eating? Hey, stop eating that. I need that. Hey. I'm gonna fucking fight you, bud. Cow can talk? 45 hours into the game and the dog can talk? What do you mean the dog can talk? Yeah? Dude, we could have ended wars. What do you mean the dog talks? Hey, I need you to give me that block now. I need that block. Sophie, you gotta help me. How do I get the block from him? Drake Redcrest. How do I get the block from him? Frog. Maybe he'll eat me instead. I don't know what to do. I don't have a bone. Much to ponder. I'm worried that I'm running into a lot of fuck you say kind of situations where the game is going like you understand what to do. Fuck you say? I don't know. I don't know shit, man. I'm 108 hours into this game and I still don't understand it. I've paid for my Chibi Robo time card 8 times over and I still don't understand it. Still have not figured out what the spider web's for. Hi, Kirby. Kirby, what do I do next in the game? Tell me. think you have to find the illusory wall for the next bonfire. Oh. Oh. Okay. If I shoot this... Oh, fuck, he was right. And that's the pro gamer Kirby is. He can look at 30 seconds of any game and know exactly how to make progress. Kirby has had brain surgery to remove self-preservation instincts, mating instincts, financial instincts, emotional instincts, reading instincts, communication instincts, but replace them with gamer instincts. This guy is actually genetically a gamer at this point. He's more gamer than human at this point. Instead of DNA, I have ABXY. We'll workshop that one. You're on to something. We'll workshop it. Can I give the scuba gear to the fish? I don't know what to do with this. Honey. What if I squirt honey in the spider web and then like flies get stuck in it? And then I get to meet like a cool spider. Does that make sense? Does that sound cool? Oops, I fell off. Want to give a fish scuba gear and let it walk on land? If I saw a fish walking around, like a big ass bass, like walking around, I think I would be worried. Not to be like racist to fish, but if I saw a big catfish walking around on the streets of Chicago, I do think I'd be like, what are we doing? Like, we've upset the natural balance here, folks. Did I even make any progress during that? I don't think so. All right, let's call the Gliblions. We gotta go back to the past. Plant the legendary seed. And then, I don't know, do something. Counterpoint on the fish. Okay. Ready to hear how upsetting the natural balance is actually based? I'm always trying to plant the legendary seed. Yeah, I said legendary seed, not 2 puffs of dust in a single tier. Your balls are played out, bro. What did you do? Drake Redcrest, what did you do, Drake Redcrest? We need water. Drake Redcrest, what the fuck did you do, bro? I have been through much, fellow hunter. I was once beaten by a teddy bear. I once rejected love for friendship. There was even a time when I ran out of gunpowder and fell into a deep depression. Enough about me. Now we need to worry about you, Space Hunter Robo. Because of you, peace on Earth is threatened. If this continues, you will become pure evil. Sorry, I fucked up the line read. Take 2. If this continues, you will become evil. Pure evil, in fact. Do not fret. I will not allow you to go down that path. We will destroy the aliens together. Doesn't look like you're ready. To defeat our foes, you'll need to suit up like me. Let me know when you're ready. I really need to go back to the past. Alright, let's squirt on these aliens to cool them down. I guess we're just doing a different plot line today. What if we name the what if we name the bass Big Mouth Billy? Jesus Christ, I can't read your fucking comment. What if we named the bass Big Mouth Billy Bass and teach him to sing Take Me to the River? That's your okay. That's your counter to disrupting the natural order. Is what if we named the bass man Big Mouth Billy Bass? This isn't working. All right, we gotta kill them. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's a no. I'm gonna go with no on this one. Space Hunter Robo, are all systems ready? Yeah, let's kill my friends. Let's go. I am now going to charge my power. So please wait a minute. It'll just be a moment. By the way, Space Hunter Robo, lately I've started to realize the truth beyond good and evil. However, I cannot explain in words. Action is all that is needed. The special move requires that 2 hunters be totally in sync in both mind and body. I appreciate your cooperation. All right, then. It seems I've gathered enough already. When I say justice for all, press Z quickly. Are you ready? Yeah. Then, let's go. Great Twin Blizzard. Oh, fuck. Oh, he getting sturdy with it? Okay, I hit it, you fucker. Do it again. I hit it, you bitch! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I hit it too fast. It's an 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fuck! It's a 9. All right. He getting sturdy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a 9. It's a 9. It's like an 8.5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.5. Fuck you! All right, we're gonna Mississippi it. Mississippi always works. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4. Oh, you bitch. It's 4 Mississippis. Maybe 4 Mississippis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fuck you, dude. All right, lock in. This is the rest of the stream, dude. Dude. And then he spins it. Brother, I hit that shit. There's input lag. Okay, spin 1. Got it. Nice. They're dead. Thank you. Thank you. I can still use their time machine, right? Little Bang's still gonna let me use the time machine, right? Oh, Drake Redcrest story's done. We're gonna finish this game this week. Bye, Little Bang. Everyone in chat say bye-bye, Little Bang. We did it. The aliens retreated with their tails between their foul, spindly legs. We have found Hunter Glory. Thank you. Now I must go, but remember these words. Space Hunter Code Part 10. Defeat all evil. Thank you, Drake Redcrest. Very cool. Can I use the time machine now? Oh, no. Did I just get gleamied out? Will the Gleebies come back tomorrow? Well, now what the fuck do I do? Lucas, did the Gleebies come back tomorrow? Or am I locked out? Am I all gleebed out? Yes? Okay. I feel like I need a walkthrough at a certain point. I feel like there's still progress to be made. But with some of these, I'm just like, I don't know how to do that. Where is that brick? Can I give you a love letter? Okay. Here, I got you this love letter. Hey man, check this shit out. You enjoy this shit. This is good shit right here, man. Good shit. Grazie, Space Hunter Robo. Can I give him the scuba gear? Nope. Is Teapot Tim in the kitchen? Like, that's the only thing I can think with the scuba gear is there was one time he was in the fishbowl and was like, the water hurts my eyes. Go talk to Sophie. Who do I give crayons to? I can't remember who wants the crayons. It's not Dinah. She wants the blocks. Hi, Sophie. What you writing, girl?
Oh dear, I dropped it again. Does love make one clumsy? Are you trying to peek at my diary? That's so rude.
Sorry, I had an episode. Sorry, I had an episode. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry, I don't know what came over me. I was at work today, and I was having lunch in my car because nobody likes me. And I'm sitting there in my car. I like drink some of my energy drink, and I just like throw my head back and go, oh! And then I like, why did I do that? It was like I had all of this like sensory coming in and I needed to like scream to get it out of me. And I like looked around in the parking lot. I was like, okay, no one is around to hear this man sitting in his car alone screaming.
Did you hear? Oh, of course you did. Yes, it's true. I lost it again.
Who's she in love with? She's in love with Drake Redcrest.
Please find it before anyone else does.
I'll ever see it again.
I guess I'll start writing a new one.
You get on that, Suze. Her name's Sophie, not Susie. Whatever. It's been a long time since I've seen the Sanderson family. I wonder what they're up to. I hope they're okay. They were having breakfast. Have I been up here? I guess I have. The eyes on that door are closed. I don't remember that though. Yeah, but the eyes on those doors are open. Which makes me wonder, how do I get in there? Mm. 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 It's so good and tasty. Something like that one Moni Skeksis. The real ones will get that. The real ones will get that reference. No, get off of there. Well, maybe I do have to go up there. How do I get up higher? Is there a ladder in the kitchen? Maybe there is. I just leave. Spine shattered. Well, yeah, there is a ladder, but it's like way over there, isn't it? It's like up here. See, I'm quickly approaching a point where I'm not sure how to make progress in the game. I guess I could hit that Stanley Sleeperton. Switch it to day. Then switch it to night again. Yeah, you see the ladder's over here. How high does this go? How high can you get? Oh shit, there's stuff up here? You gotta be fucking kidding me. I'm gonna run out of batteries and die. Get off the ladder. Please, Chibi Robo, you cannot survive in this economy. Isn't it crazy that since the Obama presidency, no one can afford Chibi Robos anymore? Interesting. Interesting. I don't want to get political, but maybe you should look into that. Maybe be a free thinker and look into that. Would you guys have voted for Mitt Romney if Obama ran on a platform of outlawed Chibi Robo? Picture of Chibi Robo with Joe Biden. I did this sticker on it. I left one screw. Oh my god, no. Oh, I'm gonna be fucking sick. I'm gonna fucking puke. Do you guys think the Lego I need is in Tao's house? I've let the rats in. I've decided you should perish. So I've let rats into your food supply. Whoa. Whoa, what the fuck is this? Okay, we'll come back to that. Remember Paul Ryan? I do. Remember Ron Paul? What is it? What did... Oh. Oh. What was Paul Ryan's deal? I can't see shit, game. The fuck do you want? Ooh, band-aids. What do I do with this? What are you giving me? What is or what was? Both. What's he up to? Watching an interview he did 5 months ago. What was he talking about? He's talking about the Muppets. He's just a big Muppet guy now. Tariffs? Oh, that's less fun. He should try talking about the Muppets. I would have voted for him. That reminds me, chat. The Muppet Show special, the new special with Sabrina Carpenter, is Disney Plus at midnight. PST. It's getting insanely good reviews, which is scares me. Sorry, I gotta watch Bridgerton. How about you watch the inside of your fucking eyelids forever, bud? Sorry. 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 Sorry, Chibi Robo makes me mad. This game makes me toxic. I'm toxic? Why am I toxic? Okay, so how do I get this other chibi door? Do I like float? Okay, all right, that worked. I'm gonna fall off this and it's gonna piss me off so bad. Okay. Anyways, the new Muppet Show thing, it's getting insanely good reviews. And not just from like it's one thing if like the critics are like, yeah, it's good. Cool, man. But what do the Muppet fans say? Because this is, it's a little bit like digging up a corpse. It's kind of pretty sacrilegious to do what they're doing right now. But Muppet fans say it's real good, so I'm probably gonna really love it, and I'll talk about it maybe tomorrow if I get the time to watch it. But here's the thing, like, it's getting really, really good reviews. And so I want to be like, my goats are back. My goats aren't cooked. My goats are fucking raw, dude. But this feels like such an L. The idea of let's do the Muppet Show full on straight again is something that I've seen people say they should do since like 2008. And to me, it's the most creatively bankrupt thing they could do. Like, the Muppet Show ended in 1981 at its fucking peak in popularity. It was the show viewed in the most amount of countries when it ended. And it ended because Jim Henson was like, yeah, we're like, I'd rather end this before it gets stale and creatively bankrupt. And it's such a product of its time to be a variety show. And it just feels like creatively it's a huge step backwards. And like is such a like, well, it's finally come to this. We're desecrating a grave. You know, like the brand is so poorly managed under Disney that it's like, yeah, like I guess we do the Muppet Show again because no one will watch anything else we do. And it's also like such a sign of the like cultural arrested development we're in as a fucking species. That like, oh, okay, let's go back to this thing again. Like, and not even like, let's do the new Muppet Show. Let's do this thing, but with a tweak on it. It's like, no, we're gonna do that thing that you liked again. We're just gonna do that played straight again. And so, for all intents and purposes, like, I'm excited to watch this. I'm hearing really good things. And, like, the Muppet Show is certifiably the best Muppet production. It is the most, like, it's the Muppet production. It is the thing. But it is a little bit like, if this fails, right? If this doesn't get enough viewers on Disney Plus for them to do a show, like, it's over. This is it. Like, this is we've mined so far down the well, we've hit the bedrock of the Muppets. And if that doesn't work anymore, if that doesn't succeed anymore, like, I just feel like it's over. They did the thing that every Facebook mom said they should do for 15 years. And if this doesn't catch an audience, it's nothing to say about the quality of the thing, but like, what do you do at that point? They did the thing that, no offense, but the lowest common denominator, the people who don't really understand why doing a new Muppet Show, and let me say, not a new Muppet Show as in a new Muppet show, but doing more of the Muppet Show is a bad idea. They don't understand why that's like rough. They've done the thing that the masses want, and if the masses don't show up for this, and I don't think they will, like, it's like, what do you do at that point? You know what I mean? So I'm excited to watch the special, but I do have to wonder, like, even if the special is a success and that it's like, okay, we're going to series, I do have to wonder, like, well, how long is that gonna last? And if it doesn't last for too terribly long, like, you just kind of put another you've put a weird thing on the legacy of the Muppet Show. And you know, people are always gonna argue and say like
Raining cold fire and one
Oh,
viewers
like-
just showed up at my house.
the reboot of this thing, like if you don't like the reboot of this thing, just don't watch it. You'll always have the original. And that's totally true and fair to an extent. But I also think you're putting a lot of weight on the legacy of a thing by rebooting it. You're trying to codify the legacy of a thing. And if there's ever a thing that I feel like, man, you shouldn't piggyback and put a ton of weight on the legacy of it. There's like a few things that I'm like, can we not desecrate the legacy of this thing? It is like the Muppet Show. So again, like this thing's getting great reviews and I'm excited to watch it. I'm probably gonna love it. But I really wish it wasn't the Muppet Show. You know what I mean? I really wish it wasn't so tied to doing this thing again. I really wish it wasn't so tied to nostalgia, because you're playing with the fucking Mona Lisa, you know? That's how I feel. Anyways, Rain, thank you for the follow. Hey, thank you, first time viewer. First time chatter, Raining Cold Fire. Thank you for the raid, Rain. How was RP? I don't know, did you? I assume you did RP tonight. I guess I shouldn't assume like that. My Crim character trying to get rid of some felonies and join FIB. Well, that was fast. The criminal to cop pipeline working faster than ever. Of Blair Civ, Finn will be FIB, and Izzy will be Hobo. I'm ready. Okay. Fuck yeah. Play the field. Oh, this is how I climb up these. But anyways, that's my thoughts on the new Muppet Show without watching it. You know, I know that I don't think anyone in chat is a fucking is a Muppet freak like I am. So I'm not expecting anyone to feel similarly, but you should watch the special. I'm gonna tell you, because I would really like Disney to not execute my friend Fozzie Bear point blank. I would not like my friend Fozzie Bear to receive a call that he's being made, and then he walks into a room and gets a bullet in the back of his head. But I don't know. I feel strange about it. Gonna lurk. Thank you for the raid, Rain. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you! I watch it because it's my favorite Muppet, Sabrina Carpenter. Yeah, I've heard she's great, and she's a perfect fit. I mean, again, like, this is, like, people keep being like, this is a no-brainer. But it isn't. To do the Muppet Show again isn't a no-brainer. It's the thing that everyone on Facebook and TikTok, people who don't understand the artistry of the thing, have gone like, they should just do more of the Muppet Show. But I've seen people for fucking years be like,
What if Miss Piggy and Sabrina Carpenter interacted? What if Miss Piggy and Chapel Roan interacted? Like, it's shit where it's like, yeah, that makes sense. Like, it makes sense to put Sabrina Carpenter and Miss Piggy, put them together. Like, that makes sense. I don't know, man. I also feel like this thing works because not only are they bringing their A game, but they have an actual like A-list celebrity. The Muppet Show, part of the reason I think it became so popular is they truly had A-list celebrities on that show. And then you look at like Muppet productions from like the late 80s onwards, and it's like they've only been able to get the most like D-tier celebrities, you know? And Sabrina Carpenter, that's an A+ list celebrity, right? One of the biggest superstars in the world right now, right? So it's crazy to see the Muppets get her because they shouldn't be able to afford that. I gotta be real with you. And all my years of being a Muppets fan, they should not be able to afford that. Oh, wait. Can I get on that and climb up? But yeah, I think a big part of also its success when it comes to its quality is like Seth Rogen. Seth Rogen's been producing a lot of stuff recently that I'm like, damn, that was fucking good. He's also done some stuff that I think, man, that's bad and fucked up, and you shouldn't have made that. That Pam and Tommy show, shouldn't have made that. I gotta level with you, Mac. But, it seems like he really cares about the Muppets, which, again, is insane to me. Because, Muppets Productions... The people who care about them are the actual, like, Muppet people. And then, one stockholder named, Terry Marble. And he really likes watching, Disney stock collapse in on itself. He loves it. So having, you know, an A-list producer, celebrity producer on this thing, again, is like, you know, what the fuck? On the Muppets, like, people care again? That's crazy to me, man. I've been on in the, you know, the Muppet online community for, you know, Jesus, I don't know, too long at this point. And you're telling me someone cares about the Muppets again? You're telling me that the public gives a shit? It's scary. You're telling me that effort and money and promotion is being put behind the Muppets again? That scares me. Not because I want my niche little thing to stay niche little thing, but because it's like, I don't know what that's like. Like, I remember when the 2011 Muppets movie came out,
and I felt kind of similarly of like, the thing I like is kind of popular again. That scares me because it's so foreign. And then Muppets Most Wanted came out and made $2.25 at the box office. I didn't even go see Muppets Most Wanted in theaters. That's how badly Muppets Most Wanted was promoted. I wasn't even like, yeah, I should go see that. I was like, oh yeah, I'll catch you later. Yeah, I don't need to see this. And Muppets Most Wanted is great. Muppets Most Wanted, outside of P. Diddy appearing, which is has aged, wow. Muppets Most Wanted is good, you know, it's pretty good. Anyways, hopefully P. Diddy will be on the new Muppet Show. You know, we're all hoping. Kermit doesn't have the internet. He didn't know. He knew. Would you guys go to a drug-fueled orgy? Okay, hold on. You're at the drug-fueled orgy and there's a puppet. Do you fuck the puppet? Who is operating the puppet? Me, Smile. This guy did what to the door from Labyrinth? Hey, you wanna learn why they call him Sir Didymus? Hey, you wanna find out why they call this guy the Coochie Monster? I'm gonna fucking die doing this. Oh my god, my spinal cord. Hold on. This, I need a new chair so bad, chat. This one kills me. This one, I can't sit in this for too long or I'm like in super pain. Give me 1 second. I need to stand up and stretch. C is for coochie. That's good enough for me. Dude, I love ass. Oh. Plastic pussy, you're the one. You make gooning lots of fun. Plastic pussy, I'm so awfully fond of you. All right, sorry about that. I don't know. There was a guy came into this room and took the microphone, and I just kind of let him go with it. I don't know what he said, but I don't agree with it. I think I love trash. I think that's like one of the catchiest songs ever. I think about that song and then it's stuck in my head for like 3 weeks straight. And it's like, yeah, I agree. I'm with you. I love trash. All right. I do feel like we're approaching the point where maybe I should pull up a walkthrough. I do feel like we're approaching a point where I'm not entirely sure how to proceed with a couple things. Well, we still have the seed. Let's do the legendary seed. And then maybe we can figure it out from there. Is there a ladder in Jenny's room? I don't think there is. Is there? Anyways, I'm really excited about the Muppet Show special. I'm just excited to see my friends, the Muppets, again. My friends, those funny Muppets. No, there's no ladder in here, so I'm still not sure. How the game expects me to get over here. I still don't understand. Are you okay, buddy? Oh, I thought maybe this would take me somewhere. Yeah, I'm working on it. I'm working on it. If you guys had to fist fight one Muppet, who would you choose? And don't say Robin. Don't say mods. Ban anyone who says Robin. Beaker or Honeydew? See, I feel like Beaker could kick your ass. But I feel like Bunsen... I feel like Bunsen separated from Beaker would lose that fight. If I could just like get over here, that'd be so cool. Oh, okay. And I would have made it too. And I would have made it too. Sad day. Oh, your squirter and spray it clean off. Okay. That doesn't really help me that much. Chat, what's the over-under? Do you think I can beat this game this week? Do you think I can beat this in time for Mugenics? Let's put some money into this. Let's put 7,000. That's got to get like all the way there. Oh my god, I thought that was gonna be it. Holy shit, that scared me. I think we're gonna do it. Why is, oh, it's scaring me. It's not supposed to do that. My data files. There should be a control panel somewhere on Gigarobo's body. It's on his Tootsie. Oh fuck, I don't remember the code for his Tootsie. Uh-oh. Chat, what was the code for his Tootsies? Oh, Drake Roadcrest. My dearest Drake, you look as sharp and gallant as ever today. I couldn't help but express my feelings for you once again. Please don't think me silly. I can't, but my feelings for Drake keep gushing out of me like yogurt. Didn't she say this shit last time? This is like the exact same dialogue she had last time. All right, let's call the Gleebleons. Actually, let's talk to Drake Redcrest. And then we'll call the Gleebleons and go back to the past and plant the seed. The seed of might. He's good. Next time I see Tao with the brick, I'm gonna shoot him in the face with my gun and see if he drops it then. Or maybe we like spray him with water like a kitty cat. Send in the Gleebleons. I'm requesting the company of 5 fine Gleebleons. Oops. Oh, you guys are still freaking out or what? You guys good? You guys go see mommy? Activate friend. They're bad for us. Get sick. I don't think you guys went and saw mommy. They saw him. Earth stink. No, they did not go see mommy. Okay, back to the past. He's gonna take you back to the past to plant the stupid flower that sucks ass. You'd rather have Mrs. Sanderson. All right, send me back. I don't like it when the screen turns white. That hurts my little eyes, and I'm gonna cry. Okay. Now to plant the flower. Let's see. Can I plant it? I feel like I have to plant it over where Funky Phil is right now. If it's gonna go anywhere, it's gonna go there, unless the door is open. The door is not open, and I don't think there's a way to open it. Will Funky Phil talk to me? No, Funky Phil has died. Funky Phil has passed away. Legendary flower seed. Okay. Squirt on it. All right, let's go back to the future. Whoa. What? What, you never seen someone squirt on command? Okay. Now, surely... Surely this is gonna just cause a domino effect and we're gonna solve everything right now. This is gonna be my last night, I think. I think once this is up, I'm gonna call it a stream. I know it's a short one, but it's okay because I'm streaming tomorrow, and I don't usually stream on Wednesdays. But I'm gonna stream tomorrow, and we'll play more. So VOD watchers, I'm just gonna stitch some VODs together. If it's okay with you. If you guys won't hate me and beat me to death with a ball peen hammer, I think that's what I'll do. Live watchers get fucked. Yeah, come over to my house. I don't think production approved this short stream. Okay, but what about my doctor? Did my doctor approve it? Listen, man, I didn't sleep last night. I was gonna cancel stream today. I'm fucking tired, babe. Okay, no one's in the kitchen. I really did not sleep last night. It was one of those nights where like every 45 minutes I was like wide awake. I would like start to drift off. I would do my classic technique of like visualizing numbers and choking myself out. And then it would work and I'd start drifting off to dreamland. And then I'd be back awake. I did not sleep. Listen, if you guys are gonna give me shit, I will do a half an hour more. If you guys are pounding your fists on your desk, tears streaming down your face, begging me not to leave, you done scared me silly. I bet this old lady's face looked like something out of the Funny Papers. I bet you it did. Anyway, forget all that. Take a look over yonder. That little fella didn't want to cause a ruckus, so he's off dancing by himself. I don't know nothing about fancy dancing, but any fool can see he's trying his best. And he's so doggone tiny, too. I got a mess of respect for him. I know my eyes are going, but his pose looks the same as everybody else's to me. I reckon it takes an expert to see these things. And I'm just a simple old dinosaur. That darn Drake Redcrest pose looks easy. It's got more twists and turns than a stick of licorice in a twister. Great galloping glaciers. I almost forgot to tell you. I saw one of them fortune-telling shows on the TV this morning. And let me tell you, Funky's horoscope was darker than a pot of chili in a gold mine. This old dinosaur is a bit worried. You look at Funky right now. And that flower's shining like a gold nugget. Being able to dance with that Pasolo Sprouts has made him happier than Mr. Sanderson at a sci-fi convention, like an anime fan at prom night. But if something were to happen to him, I wouldn't know what to do. And that's straight from my heart. He's one of these newfangled toys, but his heart's as pure as the driven snow. It's rare to see one of his kind these days. That's why I want to get funky in those little fellas out under the sun and let them dance. I'm just an old dinosaur with scrimpy arms and a brain the size of a refried bean, but I really do want to grant him this one simple wish. I know I may be asking too much of you, but when the time comes, would you help me? Let's keep this between the two of us, though. Don't be blabbing about it to anyone, you hear? Freaky check? Are you good, Freaky? You good, little freakster? Would it help if I stunt on you? Do you want me to stunt on you? Come out. Come on. Okay, apparently stunting on him was actually the answer. Oh, maybe it isn't. Garbage. Come on. I can feel. Oh, his battery died. Hey, I need to get that flower though, real quick. Who said I wasn't making progress in this game? Who the fuck just said sugar gay? Who the fuck just said funny little gay? I'll kick your fucking ass. Fucking Phil. Fucking Phil, I'm talking to you. He needs the sunlight. Funky Phil! Can you hear me, Funky Phil? What in tarnation's going on? I want to know what's happened to Funky Phil. Shorty. Everybody. Will somebody please tell me what the tarnation is wrong with Funky Phil? What? That's plumb impossible. You said you was gonna dance with everyone. Why aren't you moving? You half-baked bowl of beans? Chibi Robo. What's going on? What's all the commotion about? Funky Phil's the goner. He died just like that. Hold on a second. How could someone so funky die? It's just not possible. That's what they're going to say about me when I die. No one's going to believe it. No, everyone's going to see the obit and they're not going to believe it. You're all trying to scare me. Is that it? You just want to see me cry. I won't be fooled so easily. Oh my goodness. His heartbeat. He's dead. This can't be true. He can't be dead. He just can't be. This is the worst joke ever. They'll also say that when I die. Chibi Robo. His heart's not beating at all. It can't be. I'm not programmed to deal with this whole death thing. For the time being, I think we should stay with Dinah until she calms down. It's too bad, but that's the only thing we could do for her. And so, the grieving period began. What the fuck is going on in Chibi Robo? Looks like everyone's passed out. I bet they cried themselves to sleep. We're going back to the Chibi house. You better not work yourself too hard, Chibi Robo. Oh, I hear it's good to take a break once every 2 hours. Bye. Well, chat, you heard the boss man. Pee break time. Phil's gone to the great chili cook-off in the sky. Flowers, flowers. Boom. I think it's going to take some time for Dinah to bounce back from this. Why don't we come back tomorrow? So there's like a tsunami coming, is what the news said. We just got to get him out in the sunlight when the tsunami's over. It's been raining too much, man. He ain't got the sunlight. Please, everyone in chat, could you please post R.I.P. Funky Phil. Funky Phil bought the farm. Goodbye, Funkathan Phillip. Gee, I'm glad it's raining. Okay, what do I do with this? Do I dig it up? No. How do I get nectar from a flower? There we go. All right, let's go give Sunshine his crack. R.I.P. Freaky Funkbert. No, Freaky Phil's okay. It's Funky Phil who's died. You gotta fuck it. What? Huh? What? Oh my fucking lordy lordy. Lordy lordy, look who's 40. I can't wait to be 40. I wish I was 40 years old right now. I wish the best years of my life have already passed me by. When I'm 40 years old, I'm going to look back at my life and I'm going to say, damn, that was a good one. Damn, he did it better than anybody else. I'm going to look back on everything I've accomplished, every friend I've ever made, every person I've ever loved, every accomplishment I've ever succeeded at. I'm going to look back and I'm going to go, damn, he really was the greatest of all time. You get one life, chat room. One life. And you gotta live every day like you're the greatest of all time. Or else you've wasted it. You've wasted the one life you got. Anyways, I'm gonna squirt on this bear real quick. Oh, I don't like that angle. Oh, oh!
At last, a peeing game.
"10 years ago, a flower bloomed in this house. An amazing flower, one of legend. This smooth texture, this overwhelming, glorious sweetness, sweet enough even for a sweetie bear. This sparkling golden color. This is definitely some real good stuff. Oh, I can't help it. Ooh, I think I'm gonna wet myself." What did this game just make me read? Hold on. I'm doing the line read. Hold on. I didn't read that before I said it. Hold on. Guess what is happening? Thank you, dear sweet Chibi Robo. I can die a happy bear. I'm so happy, I think I'm gonna go insane. I'm gonna melt. Why, chat, why did you tell me to play this game? This is your favorite game? The game where the bear drinks nectar and pisses himself? Get the sunshine sticker. You really are amazing, Chibi Robo. Thanks to you, Chibi Robo, I'm free from that nectar-shaped monkey on my back. I'm just gonna take it one. We gave him such powerful crack that he was lobotomized. His whole frontal lobe corroded after smoking this crack. Hmm? Hmm? Nectar. Is something wrong? Oh, no. Nectar! I told you I'm out of nectar! Just kidding. Gotcha though, huh? Thank you. Okay, do I slurp up the bear piss now? Chat, why did you guys tell me this was your favorite game of all time? Why did you guys tell me? Yeah, I love the bear piss game.
Fuck you, piss boy.
Hey, I'm not the piss boy on this one. Okay, how do I get over here? Oh, there's a block I still gotta get. The fuck? Wait, it's up even higher there. Okay, so there's another. Oh, so there is. I wonder if I climb those over there. Oh, okay. All right, all right, all right, all right. Okay, we're cooking. Yeah, so I just glide from over there. Okay, all right. Crisis averted, everyone. Progress will be made. Guys, I just got off the phone with our production team. They're saying progress has been approved for the next episode. Train. Yay! Yippee! It's a world of laughter, a world of fun, and a smile means friendship to everyone. Though the ocean is wide and the mountains are high, it's a small, small world. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small world. There is just one moon and one golden sun, and a smile means friendship to everyone. It's scary quiet. Here they come racing down the tracks. It's lots and lots of trains. Big trains, small trains, fast trains, slow trains. Okay, last crayon and last egg guy. We're really actually gonna beat this week. There's a chance this doesn't even take us all week. Which I guess in that case, what do I play to finish out the week? We'll figure it out. We're gonna play Super Frickin' Mario. This is Super Mario in real life. Spaghetti! Whoa, reflection tech. Okay, that's the last egg boy. That's the last crayon. What else needs grabbed? I think outside of a door, maybe there might be two. There's two chibi doors. Outside of that, this room is done. That's crazy, man. Let's go put the last crayon back. What if we all just tell Lucas that I beat the game tonight? And I'll like tell the VOD watchers like, ah man, yeah, the VODs were really good, but they got deleted. Oh man, there was a hard drive error. That'd be really fucked up, right? I don't think I could forgive myself if I did that. All right, room done. How many more stickers? We're getting there, man. Sounds like he's saying, don't make me. Yeah, he's tough like that. Don't make me hurt you. Don't make me hurt you. Don't make me. Don't make me. Don't make me. Okay. What? Oh, there's oh, Sophie's gonna kill herself again. Hold on. Don't do it. Oh, feels good. Where did that land? Oh, I see. Oh, fuck. Oh, we'll use the ladder. Duh. I'm Chibi Robo. It's so crowded around here now. Could you find me in the kitchen later? Yeah. Thanks, I guess. I'll see you later. This isn't a date or anything. Man, that's what they always say, and it's always a date. It's always a surprise gotcha date. Don't you hate when that happens, chat? You're talking to someone, hey, can you come to the kitchen later? Yeah, I got you. And this isn't a date. Okay, yeah, that's a normal thing to say. And then you go to the kitchen, it's a date. What does she mean by the kitchen later? Does she mean right now? I don't think so. I don't see her. I think she probably meant later. I'm getting the vibe that when she said later, she meant later. Anyone else getting that vibe? Could be real. All right, we got to get that ladder. So let's Oh, no, wait, fuck. We can't get the ladder over there, right? So we're gonna just have to, this is gonna be gliding practice. We're gonna just have to parachute down. Hopefully we can get enough horizontally. Oh yeah, we can. Don't, no, come on, man! You fucking dick. You fucking dick. Oh, do we move up in the world? To 5? Hey, that's pretty good. $320. Nice, dude. I bet you gotta, don't let your plug dangle on the ground. Pick it up and you run faster. I bet we have to get everything, every sticker and everything. Or maybe you could grind really hard on cleaning and then, you know, eke out the final thing, but I don't know. I feel like I probably gotta grind. Listen, chat, I'm gonna call it a stream if it's okay with you. If it's all right with you, I'm gonna call it a stream. I will be back tomorrow. We'll play more Chibi Robo tomorrow, and an inch ever closer to finishing it. I mean, look how many stickers we still have, but also like, look at how many we got, man. I still don't know who this guy is or this guy. Or this guy or this guy or this guy. But I'm sure I'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. The only thing I'm like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that, is getting the S rank in the space shooter. That shit seems impossible. So I don't know what to do about that, but we'll worry about that when we get to that. You know, maybe the next time I do it, I'll be so good that I first try it. You never know. What I do know is that I'm going to go to bed now. What I do know is that the stream's over. Thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out. We'll raid Pelly again. I'll send you over to Pelly. And I'll see you tomorrow. We'll play more Chibi Robotathan. Pelly's playing Terraria. Go over there and say, this stream would be better if, you were playing Ski Free. Go bully Pelly into playing Ski Free for me, please. All right, thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out, chat. I will see you tomorrow, if not sooner. Some of you I'll see tonight. Some of you I'm seeing right now. I'm in your walls. I'm in your skin. I am you.